Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. I think I'll just do this as 2 radial gradients. So let's just get rid of this bit. Radial gradient 1Q. This color 70 pixels. This color 100 pixels. And this color again. Okay. And then let's see how far out we are. Quite a lot. So let's make that 80 and 140. How about 130? 130 looks about right. Then let's shift it over 8 pixels, not 800, 80. 70, 65. That gets us that one. Then what we'll do is a radial gradient 1Q at 0, 50%, transparent, 8 pixels, and the orange 30 pixels, transparent. And we just shift it across by 135 pixels probably. Oh, I hadn't noticed that bit in the middle was solid. Okay. I think we'll just shove a linear gradient of the yellow. Shove it 160 pixels in. .75 pixels down. Make it 60 pixels wide maybe. And 100 pixels tall. And then we'll add in a no repeat. Okay, we'll call it. There we go. That is 100%. Let's minify and unit replace. Let's strip that 0 out and that 0. Ooh. That's it. Go out. Okay. It'd be much better if we could get that bit without. Okay, let's start with the nested template. Just going to margins. 20, 25, 20 and 5. And then let's switch these two over because, okay. Then we make this the radial gradient parent. That was 80. The yellow. Transparent. Then if we do 0 and give it a width of maybe 50%. Yeah, that doesn't quite work how I want it to. Put the on key back anyway. Let's change that to 25%. Okay. 25. How about half its width? So 130 over 275 pixels. Yeah, then it doesn't quite do what I want it to. Plus it would have too many. And let's make that a variable. Further. Probably actually wants to go, what, 130? Yeah. Then we could either use a linear or a conic, or how else can we get that little tiny bit in the middle there? I think I'm just going to use conic-gradient. 75% transparent, 75%, and then I 0 and 40 pixels, 50 pixels, 60 pixels. I need that to be slightly smaller. How about 50 pixels? and just shift this across 40 pixels. There we go. Is that any better than our first solution? Who knows? We will in a minute. I don't think I can do that. No, I can't. Let's do a minify, unit replace. It's actually slightly longer. Let's give this a little bit more to work with. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get. Yeah, our other solution was marginally better. Probably change that. No, we can't. That doesn't save us any characters. Don't think we can change that. No, because it doesn't like that at all. The shortest version we had. See if we can get away with it there. Don't think we will. Nope. Conic-gradient might be shorter. Let's try a conic-gradient at 17%. Oh no, it's going to be less than that on this one, but never mind. Transparent, 75%. And the yellow. That box might be too big. Who knows at the moment? Let's go. 30 pixels. No. 40, 50. Let's see, looks about right. And then 60 pixels down. That would cover it. would be slightly shorter. Then let's see if we can unit replace any of those. Okay, 195 characters, still a bit long. Could we... Can't really make it easily shorter. So that's where I'm going to leave it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.